Today, we're going to have a showdown of two great pool cleaners. Stop cleaning your pool by hand and employ one of these two awesome pool cleaners. Now, we have the Aiper S1 Scuba. The Scuba S1 boasts 180 minutes runtime with Caterpillar tank-like treads, and we have the Gosvor Light Vac G1, which is a suction wonder. It is a great pool vac for suction, and it is light and easy to lift with one finger. You will love the comparison. Now, be sure to watch this video to the end because we will have a graphic comparison chart that you can have all the benefits in one place to compare these two. Depending on what your needs are, we're going to get you the right pool bot for your pool and your needs. Now, let's talk about the details. Be sure to look for the link below here on our YouTube channel so that you can get the best deal from these two brands. They often run specials, and we want you to have the best price depending on which one is best for you. Now, let's take a look at the Scuba S1. Now, this is a Scuba S1 Aiper bestseller for many years, and it is well loved. I love the Scuba S1. I probably used it more than any other pool cleaner, and it has tank-like Caterpillar treads, and it has two tool brushes here. It has a large inlet basket for debris, and it has an apron valance of silicone rake-like features here that capture the debris and force it into this inward jet. The Aiper S1, it's a cordless revolution. You simply charge it, press it, and go. Its Caterpillar wheels will take it everywhere your pool needs. It is superior mobility with the Caterpillar treads, and it navigates the floors, the walls, the water lines with precision. See it in action here. It will begin to mark a path, and the path will be in straight lines, not chaotic. It's called upgraded wave path navigation. It makes all of those missed spots a thing of the past. It's ideal for pools that are 1,600 square feet or 50 foot in length. The Scuba S1 will handle pools of various sizes and shapes. On a single charge, it will clean for 2.5 hours. It will scrub the water line, then it will revert back down to the bottom of the pool, establishing a pattern. It's all in one comprehensive pool clean here. It's creating a pattern while it's cleaning. The dual scrub wheels as well as the Caterpillar treads scrub in different directions, which really cleans the pool's edge. It comes with this hook tool that you can easily retrieve. Because of the gripping wheels and Caterpillar treads, it will not slip or slide when it climbs up the wall. Simply hold the button down for 2 seconds. As you can see, it's done a terrific job of cleaning these stairs here, as well as the bottom of the pool. Now look at the debris that I collected in the apron. Now this is a large tank, and I love that it has mesh in these long reinforced areas. This is a great debris basket for leaves. If you have leaves in your backyard, you're going to want to get this pool cleaner because it sucks in these big leaves that fit through that very large debris basket inlet. And it is vertical on top, and that's how you want your basket. Easy to change with one hand. Now, the Gosvor G1 Light Vac is pinky promise, easy to put in and out the pool. Very light, very fast, and I love the fact that both of these are just one simple button right on the top. They both have apps, and you can use the digital options, but it is really nice to be out at the pool and not have to use your phone. Just press the button and go. They both have big inlet systems here that force a lot of water through. Now let's look at the G-Vac debris basket. Very nice, well-designed, large too. Now it has a special feature that it has a mesh filter for when you have a really dirty day, or if you have a pool in a backyard with a lot of trees with fine seeds and pine needles and things that might get in there, or some sand and fine debris. Now you can use it with or without the debris microfilm basket insert, but especially if you're cleaning your pool for the first time, or if you wait a little time between cleans, or if there's a storm that pushes some pollen and things like that or sand into your pool, that is a very nice feature to have both of those options. Fits right in there. It also has Caterpillar treads and dual brushes. Has a big inlet system and an apron rake as well, with silicone rake-like device to get the debris into the basket. Let's go put it in the pool and watch you do it. It's very easy to carry at 15.2 pounds, yet powerful enough to run 200 minutes on a single charge. There she goes, and she's off. With the smart navigation app control, it doesn't miss a spot. With 3-micron fine filters, it captures even the tiniest debris other vacuums leave behind. Less time cleaning, more time enjoying your pool. But don't let the lightweight fool you. See, she climbs on the platform. She'll clean the floors, the walls, and the water lines with precision. Now you can see that caterpillar tread system at work. It enhances mobility and climbing activity. The first pass here, it is navigating the pattern of my pool to get its program down for every use in the future. Its 260 millimeter wide dual roller brushes maximize cleaning efficiency, and that's going to save time and effort, eliminating extra tools and manual scrubbing. With that extra fine filter option and the 3.6 top loader filter basket, it makes routine maintenance very easy. At a glance, easy LED lights indicate and show the pool cleaner status, and the app is a pro at letting you see where it is, and it's one of the easiest apps I've ever used, which works only on land and no user data is collected. You can see this great path that it's making, easily taking out the debris. Now, after it has mastered its path of your pool, it starts its unique climbing and specialization. Look at it climb this very hard to clean area of my pool. It's curved, it's a tanning ledge, and it's on a curved bottom pool. So there's 3 different junctions here that make it difficult. The bottom, the curve in the tanning ledge, and the curve in the wall. But it is climbing it, it's mastering it, and it is scrubbing all the way. I'm so impressed with this. This is where a lot of pool cleaners fell back, but it is getting it and even getting the water line above my tanning ledge. So it works really great in shallow areas. It's comprehensive and it's tailored for different pool shapes and different pool materials. And it's really good on the steps and the platform access areas. Now look at it here. It's going to scrub the water line and the walls. And it has a very organized system. You can see the pattern that it's made from the previous run where it programmed itself. But look at it go up and down without missing a spot. It has a 3960 GPH engineered suction power and up to 200 minutes of continuous runtime. And it covers up to 2150 square foot per cycle. And of course, that multi-layer filtration system with a 3-micron ultrafine filter really helps get all the tiny pieces. Now, here's where it shines. Look at its lightweight ability, but strong traction on my stairs. It has an organized pattern to attack every inch of my stairs. And there is a fine dust on these stairs, and it is really getting everything in its path. I've done a thorough study of it, and I think my favorite piece of it is the way it works on the steps and the platforms in irregular shapes. Now let's go over some more details. Now here's the difference. The Aiper Scuba S1 has a 7800 mAh battery, internal battery, and a suction power of 42 GPH. And has a brushless motor with 180 runtime, 240 minutes on the Eco version, which you can do the walls, the floors, and the water line of the Aiper. It is awesome because it cleans all those 3 things, and it climbs very well. It works well on stairs, and it works well on sloped walls. It has what is known as a WavePath 2.0 navigation system, which is an organized system to clean your pool. And what people love about the Aiper Scuba S1 is cordless freedom and climbing caterpillar treads. Getting that water line clean, that is a deal maker. Now, they both climb like caterpillars. They both have caterpillar treads, but the Aiper is the track master. It climbs sloped walls and areas that are hard to climb easier and better than the Gosvor. Now the Gosvor does a great job and a better job of capturing the fine silt and sand because of this extra special filter. They both do a good job on that, but its special point is capturing all that fine debris, and the Aiper special point is climbing and getting that water line clean because it climbs so well. So the filtration battle, I would say the Gosvor has a thumbs up. The actual climbing and overall clean, the Aiper Scuba S1 gets more areas clean in your pool. If you have leaves, definitely have to have this one. Now, if you want no hose hassle and a crystal clear pool, I recommend you take a look at one of these fine motors because they are very, very efficient. Both of these were provided for me, from my honest opinion, and I highly recommend them. They are super cleaners, and you will be very pleased with your pool purchase. Depending on your needs, make your selection, and be sure to like and follow this video to see more videos about great pool cleaners like these fine companies, and many more.